Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 8th class 6th lesson minerals and mining. What was the lesson name? Minerals and the mining. See, in generally everyone knows that while we are using in our the home chores, right? While we are using our home chores, we can use the different kind of the things. We can use the different kind of the things, right? We can use well the toaster, you can the toaster, right? All those kind of these are the machineries. We can use the different toasters and all those things, right? But while we are using in the chicken, while in the using in the you prepare in the kitchen, in the kitchen we have the kind of the tiles we have. What kind of we have? We kind of the tiles we have, that different color of tiles. And when we the floor we have the different color of tiles, right? When we floor we have the different color of tiles, right? These are this soil and this kind of stone. We call as the limestone. These are the kind of the minerals. These all are the minerals. We can in daily life we can using the many things. We can using the lots of the minerals, but we don't know the what is we call that is the and we can call it the stone. But where come the stones come? They all those things. How would the stone come and how would that kind of the tiles will made a shape, right? This kind of all going we can discuss in this lesson. What are the minerals? And the minings, what are, everyone knows that is the tile, right? Everyone knows the tile, everyone knows the we can buy the shop, all those things. But how they come? See, when we doing the mining, that will be when we doing the minerals will come, and when the mining for the minerals will come, it will get a shape and then we can easily use. Only I am giving the one example of the tiles. But we have the lots of minerals. We can have the sand, we can say the iron, we can say the oil, we can say the cement, we can say the mica, we can say the aluminium, we can say the lots of things we have the all this in the mineral. This all are the minerals. See, mine means the mineral. If you get a mineral, you can do this for the mining. When you get the tiles, you have to do the open cast mining. You get the open cast mining. You can the blast the many rocks. We can blast the many rocks, the different kind of rocks. Among from them, we can get the mineral. Those who are the minerals, we can make a shape, and then we can after the made a shape, we can easily use that. We can use that for our the health purpose. We can use that for that kind of the furniture purpose. We can use that kind of the growing purpose, right? What are the we can say the very easy? Is the iron, the copper, the coke, aluminium, right? Aluminium and we can say etc. Already told you now. Aluminium, the cement, the mica, all those things, these all are different kind of the different kind. The minerals we have. What are different kind we have the mineral. See what is the actual the minerals? What is the minerals we call? The metal which have been separated. Which metal is have been separated or extracted. What are extracted from natural ores. Extracted from the natural ore which are called minerals. What is it? Already we discussed. See, I will repeat it once again. The metal which have been separated, or extracted from the natural ores. It might be separated from the natural ores or extracted from the natural ores, which are called minerals. Already we have the tiles. This tiles is already in the nature. We can say that already in the rock, right? Rock is combined with the nature. From the rock is separated. No, is from the rock is separated while we are using the bomb. Blast. While you not bomb in the way, the blasting purpose we can this is the main rock. We have this mineral. When we do the blast, this rock is made a small pieces. The blast is a small pieces. From the small pieces, we can extract the tiles. So that's we call the metal which have been separated or extracted from the nature ores. We call minerals. See, this is the one example. And we can say that another one. See, nowadays everyone crying for everyone getting when we do the news, everyone is getting that kind of only news. The petrol price will hiking. The petrol price will goes to 80, 90, 100 and 110 and 112 is going to vary jet speed. At jet speed, almost in one way the credit price is hanging almost 30 times. We can say, I'm not sure about the 30, but almost, right? About the 30, around the 30 is hanging, right? See, that we call, that is what we call now? That is the crude oil. That we call the crude oil. From the crude oil we can take the petrol, diesel, LPG. What man? The petrol, diesel, LPG, these three things. These three all this comes from the crude oil. This all this comes from the crude oil. Why we are using this crude oil? We can say the petrol, we can say the easily. The crude oil is the separated or the extracted. This crude oil is extracted from the crude oil. Why? Because when the oil is made in the 100 of the year, these are air, these are air. When we are done, is air, we can extract from this all those things we can make the 100 of kilometers in the down in the air. So that's why when we do the extraction, we can count the crude oil. We can count the crude oil, and we can easily say that extraction is the coal, right? Coal also, when we do the coal, we have to the extract, we have to the do blast, we have to the mining, all those things. In the under mining and the open cast mining, we have to mine in Singareni, all those things we have. We have to extract the mineral from the natural ores, right? We have to extract minerals from the natural ore, or we have to separate. We have to separate them from the natural ores. That is called the minerals. That is called the minerals, right? Is that it? Next, the minerals. The minerals have the two types. The minerals have the two types. See, some minerals have the renewable and some minerals have the non-renewable. Some minerals have renewable, some minerals have non-renewable. See, the renewable and the non-renewable. What does mean renewable and non-renewable? The renewable means we can cut it and then we can get from another. We can get the another. See, one plant is there. See, one plant is there. This is the plant, right? This is the one tree. With the tree, when you have to cut the tree, the tree is a renewable earth. When we cut the tree, it will be grows once again or not. We can easily found this group. So this kind of the renewable material and non-renewable material, the sources, the resources. The renewable resources and non-renewable resources. When we cut the tree, you can find after the 1 month or the 2 months or the 3 months, you can easily grow. It will easily grow the next. It will cut. Then we can say the sunshine. We can say the sunshine. When we receiving the sunshine, we can observe all the sunshine. It will come tomorrow or not. It will come tomorrow or not. Right? It will become. That is the renewable. That is the renewable. That will be a renewable. See, this kind of we have the renewable and the non-renewable the materials. Renewable and non-renewable of the resources. The renewable and non-renewable of the resources which is used for the us, right? This kind of the. But when in the non-renewable, see, the gold is a renewable or non-renewable? It is a material, right? It is a resources, gold, right? It is a non-renewable. The petroleum. Once we use the petroleum, when we are using a petroleum, that kind of the petrols, it will be made by the millions years ago. It will be made by the millions years ago, which are the led towards the layers of the air. Then after that kind of the gas, that kind of the crude oil that are formed, this kind what we are using the crude oil nowadays, now in present day, that would the crude oil made from the million years, from the effort of the million years. After the million years, that will be you can extract from the petrol. But that is the, so that's why. So petrol is a non-renewable. Once we use the petrol, there will be no petrol in the gold. Once we extract from the gold, there will be, you don't have to the extract from the gold, there is a no gold. So this kind of the petrol, this kind of the gold, this all are the, we can say the limestones are this, and the limestones and this consumption is all are the renewable. These all are the renewable resources which are laid in the our and these all are the renewable resources. These all are renewable resources. See the we can see the